Is thou anything more magical than a train gliding through a winter wonderland? Join the journey. When the world slows down, a train keeps you on track. These iron giants power through, cutting a clean path in the fresh powder. Imagine sitting inside, warm and cozy, with a hot drink in your hand, watching the snowy landscape drift by your window. It's like being in your own personal snow globe, where every moment feels like magic.
The rhythmic clatter of the wheels on the track is the perfect soundtrack to the silent, snowy scenery. It's a peaceful, powerful, and honestly, pretty epic way to travel.
It's a peaceful, powerful, and honestly, pretty epic way to travel.
So next time it snows, forget the traffic woes and think about the pure awesomeness of a train ride.
Let me know your favorite train journey in the comments.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.